Alrighty. What is up, Harry? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. Oh, to start the stream out, it looks like it's going to be a great lesson in look at the daily first. Oh, unfortunate. I didn't look at the daily on ZBZN. I only looked at the 4-hour. I think I'm about to get stopped out. So what do I mean by this? I decided to jump into another 30x trade here on ZBCN. That's because we had this level that was acting as a resistance in the past. Let's go out to the 4-hour so you can see what I see. So it was acting as a resistance before, utilized it as a support now, which is nice. So you can see it was a resistance back here. We came up to it, broke through, fell back down, became resistance again, became a support. Now I'm thinking we're going to get a higher low. Either it's about to touch this thing and break down from this uptrend, or we're going to get a breakout to the upside and I'll look like a genius. But looking at the 4-hour, I was seeing that we were bouncing off the 50 simple and I was like, oh, great time to go long. Yeah, then I decided to look at the daily. We're really overextended. That's the most unfortunate thing I could see. That's too bad. It went from, yeah, this looks like a great trade setup, all the way down to the 5-minute. It looks fantastic, to looking at the daily and taking the wind out of my sails. So, probably going to get stopped out. Oh well, lessons are being learned. But you know what? I'm going to let this thing ride until it stops me out. Screw it. Because what I see is a downtrend that broke out. We should not go below this low at 5172. I have a stop loss at 5152. It's a very tight stop loss. So we get stopped out. Okay, fine. Just now we are set up for a lot of downside on ZBZN if we lose this 50429 level. So, yeah, lessons are being learned. We had a really good day with the fart trade. Fart coin did amazing. I'm not sure between XRP and fart coin which one was like the better trade. XRP went insane today. We're going to be looking at that chart. But, yeah, this one, we're just seeing if we're going to get stopped out. Another fun thing we're going to be doing over the course of the next couple weeks or so, this account right here, you can see the amount in here. There's 344 USD. What I want to do with this bad boy is push it up to $35,000. That's what I want to do. So I plan on doing that while we're live. There might be some instances where I end up trading and I'm not live at the time, but I'm going to try on this account not to do that too often. So, yeah. BloFin, great area, great UI, honestly, great exchange to be using. We have an exchange link down below. We also have the deal where you can actually get 20%. Oh, there we go. We're stopped out. Dang it. Too bad. Are we stopped out yet? Okay, we got stopped out over here. BitUnex. Shucks. And we're still in it on weeks? Figure. We're barely still in it. Man. But yeah, that thing looks like it's about to fall. We're just going to close that out. So we got stopped out live on stream. I'm not invincible. That's another thing. My weeks one, I'm going to try and do the 8 trades in a row. Hardest thing on the planet, but we're going to see how it goes. Anyways, yeah, so I did get the deal going for everybody on BloFin. So I made the announcement inside of Discord where you can end up seeing that right in here. It's free Discord, everybody, but 20% trading bonus. Make sure you read all of this because there are terms to this. The first 100 people to jump in there and make their deposit and start trading, you can get 20% cash back bonuses. So these bonuses, you have a time frame of, I believe it's 3 days. You have to leave the money in the account while you're trading, and then you get to enjoy all the bonuses. So you guys, just trying to get you some free money so you can trade with it. Just doing my best out here to get y'all all the stuff and the things that you might need. Good evening, Bernard. How you doing? How you doing? So yeah, anyway, ZBZN, toast. We're going to be looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, BNB, Solana, Doge, Ondo, Bitcoin Cash, TON, Shiba Inu, and XMR, Monero. So we're going to see what's going on with those from Bitcoin Cash, TON, SHIB, and XMR. They just didn't move very much today, so I want to look at them to see if they are viable trade setups or not. And I'm going to make sure I actually look at the daily time frames for these things, so I understand exactly what coin I should be in and don't have another mistake like I did here with ZBZN. Mistakes happen. Take it on the chin. Get better. All right, going into Bitcoin, let's take this out to the daily real quick. Daily, what a day for the corn. We have a confirmed candle breakout of the flag. Confirmed candle breakout. Our stochastic is only hitting the midline. We're sitting in neutral territory. Bitcoin can rally from here, and it can rally hard. Understand what the target is currently for Bitcoin. You might get a little bit excited. Target right now is $130,279. Big deal. Big deal here. Last night we were talking about 116. We blew right past it. So let's not worry about that anymore. We went right past that thing. Where we're finding a bit of resistance is in between the 786 and the 886 on the recent high. But if you go from high to low, we're still not even at the 618. So from high to low, 618 is sitting at 118,985. We could very well be targeting that. So maybe by tomorrow, we'll see. We'll see. The shorts got absolutely decimated though. I would appreciate if we came back down. So now the new level I would love to hang on to would be right here. If we can hang on to $115,075 or even come down and backtest it, that'd be great. Give a lot of people an opportunity of an entry. But we'll see. You know, the announcement of the 401ks, that's kind of a big deal. Kind of a big deal. That means you're going to have a steady stream of income going into these ETFs. Possibly. Possibly. Considering it is a 401k, most people, they don't care. They just shovel money into their 401k and just say, hey, it does whatever it does. So we'll see how everybody else deals with that. Anyways, let's check out Bitcoin to the euro real quick. Bitcoin to the euro, solid day, hitting the top of the flag. Hitting the top, did not technically have the breakout like we did with USDT. So now we are above a little level here, which is nice. If we can stay above this level, cool. Send us up to 102,307 euros. That would be our next target for the euro. Missed most of it. You missed most of it. What are you talking about? Most of the TA on Bitcoin? We did full TA on ZBZN first. You're just late, Rich. That's on you, buddy. That's on you, bro. Next up, we're going to be looking at the liquidation heat map. So, checking it out on the 24-hour... Oh, my goodness. Well, they might be targeting some shorts. Just maybe. On 24 hours, you have that many shorts in play? 142 million, 137 million, and 40 million right above that. That's a lot for the 24-hour time frame. That's a lot. Let's check out the weekly. And we do have futures expirations tomorrow, so heads up there. Looks like we've taken out most of the shorts. Not that many people willing to go long just yet either. Huh. That'll probably take place tomorrow. People will start going long tomorrow. Probably. Well, yeah, so liquidation heat maps basically showing we could go up overnight again. Kind of wild. It's going to be hard to bait in shorts. I think it's going to be really tough to bait in some more shorts. Going to Ethereum here. Oh boy, we should probably go to the 4-hour for this because we just hit these levels. So we were aiming at the 7% upside. We passed it and then some. INTC and CGC, please. I hope everyone is well. Doing well, man. INTC KGC. Got you. Got you. Well, I timed those ETH longs pretty well. Very nice. Yo, what's up, Trade Intuition? Welcome in, man. Welcome in. So, I mentioned it before. If we do start getting a little buck wild, the target's $4,206. I guess we're getting buck wild out here because we hit all other measured moves. We just straight up there. Kind of ridiculous. It's not taking a break. It's not grabbing some Kool-Aid, not grabbing a Gatorade, nothing. Just running. Just running. It's like Forrest Gump. It just felt like running. Jedi. Sorry. Forrest Gump, one of the greatest movies of all time. If you don't like it, well, you don't have to be here either. So we do have a level of support sitting right below, well, not right below us anymore, but at 3,628. Good to see you, Rich Joe. Oh, man. We also have a level of support sitting at 3766. So this is great to see. Great to see. We're above the... Oh my god, what? Okay, we have a ton of support below us. Many different levels on the daily we could find support. Good job, Ethereum. Killing it with 6% on the day. Holy moly. That's impressive. That's actually impressive. Yeah, if we continue past that, I mean, new all-time highs could be coming. New all-time highs could be coming. Ooh, it would be rivaling the all-time high. It could be coming. So if we do break that 4,206, I mean, realistically, your last line of defense, it's between 4,079 and 4,365. But there's not much resistance up here. This thing could just keep on running. Could just keep on going. Your daily is indicating, yeah, we got plenty of room. Low stochastic, we hit neutral territory, we're not overbought, no bearish divert. This thing could run. Interesting. ETH looks insanely strong, especially when paired with ETH dominance. Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely crazy. I can't talk any trash about Ethereum right now. It is just out here performing. Jeez. Alright, well, anyways, not much more to say about that. I mean, I'm out here glazing the hell out of it. So, let's move on to XRP. I was only aiming at $3.23. Voldemort just keeps on kicking those unicorns. Oh, I blame the XRP army. They're just beating up unicorns left and right. They're out here just fighting baby seals at this point. Jeez. Next target we're looking for, 346.49. We'll see what happens at the 786. But once again, solid argument for $4.23, which would be a new all-time high. So XRP, it's trying to do its thing, but I don't even know what came out about XRP to make it just blast off like that. There must have been a lot of shorts against it. So XRP got 11% on the day. Hold on, I'm gonna compare this to my Fartcoin trade because I got some gains out of this boy today. Fartcoin 11.25. See there? See there? Out here killing it. So yeah. If you weren't here in yesterday's stream, we were in that trade. We were in there like swimwear. We hit 886, so I got out of it. So I didn't get the full amount I got out right here at the $3.4477. So I got a little bit more out of it, but I feel like I took profit at a really smart spot. That's my opinion. The point is we made money. The point is we made money. But yeah, XRP right now doesn't really look like it's going to slow down. Nothing is indicating that it has to. We have a level of support down here at $3.24 that we could bounce off of as support. But as we know, XRP does not like to test support. It's just buy the breakout and then pray and hope. Double bottom would be gnarly. A double bottom would be pretty gnarly. Bitcoin dominance, about to double bottom or crash. I would lean toward the crash, as altcoins are gaining strength. The gaming tokens are starting to get some love. I'm pretty sure the alts are they're feeling themselves right now. They're feeling themselves. But yeah, XRP, good moves on the day. I still don't like the project. I'm still not going to trade it, nor am I going to invest in it. Still think it's garbage. But the TA is playing out. So there it is. Moving on from that, we got BNB, which no one ever cares about. BNB? BNB. God, that looks beautiful. On the day, breaking a level that could have acted as a resistance. Up 2.48%. To be fair, even Trash is starting to exit its long winter. So I see the argument for crash. Yeah. The trashiest of trash is going to pump. It's going to be great. And I'm just waiting for Kava. Just waiting for Kava. One of these days, I'm just going to have a shit-eating grin on my face, and all of you are going to be like, Kava moved. After nearly 3 years in the making. BNB, realistically, it does look like it can make a 19% run to the upside. Kind of wild to say that, because your relative strength could roll over here. That just seems like a really strong uptrend, and it's going to be a little tough to break down from it. Going to be a little tough. So as soon as we break 809, off to the races. Let's see what BNB can do. Looking good. I wish Sol made a good move. I'm starting to think I should have moved some Sol into ETH at the low last week. I thought about it, and it at a time. Nice. I got into BNB a few 3-4 days ago. Let's effing go. Let's go. Nobody gets into BNB. And also, by the way, if you do think BNB is going to perform well, another token you should really consider grabbing up, it's the BitGet token, BGB, because they're following the exact same playbook that Binance is doing. So, might want to consider that. If you like Binance, you're probably going to like the BitGet token. But yeah, they're following the exact same playbook. The only difference, they don't have their own smart chain yet. I think KuCoin is trying to go down that route. But yeah, it's interesting. Sol should still be explosive. The market cap inflow is strong on the monthly. That's true. That is true. It'll pick up steam eventually, but I don't know. Institutions do institutional things, you know? They buy on one side, sell on the other. It makes me wonder where KuCoin went wrong with Kyber. Is that what Kyber Network was? I was confused about what Kyber was. So that was their idea of being like Binance Smart Chain? Yeah, what went wrong with it? No marketing. Nobody knows that. Nice, thank you, Porky. BGB was not on my radar. You're the man with the plan. Pure alpha. Hey, man. Just when I saw BGB decided they wanted to follow the same playbook, I bought some, but noted that was like a year and a half ago when they announced it, and I was like, ooh, I'm buying that. I'm just gonna hold it. Actually, you know what? Toward the end, we should look at their chart event. I'm gonna throw that on the list. We're gonna look at BGB because I want to see what their chart's doing. I haven't looked at it in months, so I should probably take a little gander. I just know I bought near the lows like I always do, but yeah. Let's see. Anyways, that's BNB. I'm still looking for another 19% upside. This thing looks great. If we go into like the 4 hour, let's see. 4 hour might want to reset on you. So either chop or coming back down maybe to this level at 764 could be a really good move for BNB. And then you could set up a trade, but that high stochastic on the 4 hour, that always gets me nervous. Always gets me nervous. Anyways, let's move on. We got Solana. So, I know last night I was calling for a 1% move. It would have wicked me out completely. So bad. So bad there. But it did break out. Now, what we're looking for is a move up to 178. We are hitting this wonderful box of doom. The 4 hour doesn't look great for it. Looks like we could get a little bit of a retracement, give us a little bit more of a buying opportunity. Your daily looks fine. Daily candle close outside of the recent downtrend? Maybe. Hold on. I take it back. No, it's not. On the daily, it is not. It's trying to be broken out, but it's not. Weird how it changes from the daily and the 4 hour. Weird how it changes. But almost broken out, trying its best. On the day, it was up 4.3%. Nothing to call home about, but it is trying to break out. We can get rid of this one. So now we have this one. We're good. Everything's kosher, copacetic. Let's clean up the chart a little bit. I was charting too much on this thing. Way too much. There we go. But yeah, on the daily, it doesn't look bad. It looks like it's trying to do something right now. Plenty of room on the daily to start moving up. You just need these lower time frames to agree with it. So who knows? Maybe it'll just bleed all day. Then toward the end of the day, pop right back up. This might be actionable around 2 p.m. Pacific tomorrow. We'll see. They're just weird blacks or dark spot after market close. An hour after the market close, then there's a full hour. There's no futures trading. So if bulls want to push up the price, that's usually a really good time to do it. And for me, that's 2 p.m. So I usually like to go look at a chart around 2 o'clock if I'm not taking a nap. It really does help. It really does help. Because if you're looking at something that's just been trading sideways but it's looking bullish all day, the move, generally speaking, likes to start around that time. So, great time for entries. Anyways, let me take a moment real quick. We're going to shout out our boy. He's here. He is awesome, amazing. I keep missing his damn live streams, and it's kind of irritating me. I see him afterwards, but this is Trade Intuition. He's out here trying to drop the knowledge on you. He drops some sick beats, and you guys should definitely go check out all his content, learn from him, and then maybe, just maybe, you'll become more profitable of a trader than anyone else on the planet. Just learn, listen, learn, and don't make weird mistakes. Same. Yeah, no, it's weird. Like, I got into his, I thought I was getting into his live stream, but it's the time of the morning. I'm always dealing with my children, or I'm at work. So I'm like, God damn it, I missed it again. Because, like, I turned my computer on, I saw he was live. I was like, awesome. My son yelled. I went over to handle him. As soon as I came back, he was done. I was like, shit. So then I was rewatching him, and then Damien, he was live, and I was like, oh, I'll just tune into Damien right after. And then he finished. And I was like, motherfuck. So it was a whole ordeal this morning. It was a thing. Whoa, we got Kate Say Hey in the house, dropping the $5 dono. Thank you so much for the $5. SPX, start believing. We will look at SPX. We will look at it. Thank you so much. K Say Hey, chat of the chat. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. SPX, we will get there. So yeah, anyways, back to Solana. It does look like it's going to have a wonderful time. It's just, God, the 4 hour. I don't like it when the 4 hour starts looking all just, the stochastic's too high. No, I don't like that. So once the stochastic resets, I think we're in for some really fun times. I think we're in for a really fun time. Next up we have is Doge. Jiminy Christmas Doge. We only wanted 22. What are we doing? Anyways, anybody who wanted to jump in on that, good job. Hopefully you enjoyed. But we are still aiming for the 618 going up to 25 cents. This thing's been marked out for a hot minute, so We're back above the 200 on the 4-hour. That's great. I hate the stochastic right now. That's terrible. If we do pull back, I'm thinking hitting that 50 simple moving average might be a really good entry because we did consolidate right underneath it before we started rallying. So a back test would be great. Hey, who disliked his super chat? Someone disliked it? What? I don't even see the dislike. That's crazy. I don't even see it. Checking it out on the daily. Daily looks phenomenal. Holy crap. Golden Cross coming soon to a chart near you on Dogecoin. We might actually be seeing the making of 35-cent Doge. Holy smokes. Yeah, 35 cents. Looks like that is going to be this next leg up for Dogecoin. Keep Doge on your radar. This thing is setting up very nicely for another 57% to the upside. Holy crap. It was glitching out. I had to refresh your bed. Okay, got it. Yeah, I definitely think Doge is going to be one of those ones that we should not forget about. This thing looks great. I would love if it wasn't overbought. So wait for things to reset. Who knows? Maybe in the morning you might have an opportunity at this one. This looks good. This looks good. If we can come up just a little bit higher, get up to that 25 and then come down and backtest 21,986, I would love to enter around this level. I would love it, but gotta have that confirmation. Gotta have the confirmation. And the best part, if you do rally straight up to 25 cents, you're going to have every short seller thinking, oh, double top, we're going down lower. Sweet, let's go short. And then we catch bids, and then we stop them all out. Oh, the short squeezes could be beautiful. It could be beautiful. We'll see how it goes. But, yeah, no, this thing, it's moving pretty good. Pretty darn good. Pretty darn good. All right, next up we have Zondo. Ondo. I believe we only were looking for 4%. Ondo decided to tell me go sit on a cactus, apparently. My bad, sir. I thought you were only going to do 4%. Here you are, slinging your weenie around. Anyways, the 618 golden retrace we're aiming at is $1.04. So could still have a bit more in the tank. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of that. Because none of that even matters anymore. 4 hours, same thing as all the other tokens. Because this market moves as one. It's like the hive mind, you know? They all just have one brain, one sound. Like drumline, one band, one sound. Alright, we could have a 3.39% move to the upside. Hitting that 618. And then I want to see where the higher low is going to be. If it continues up from there, well then we're testing Ondo for steroids. Because that's just too fast, too high. It's just not right, man. Noted. Could head up to 156 if you just blow past this. Would be a little wild. Would be a little wild, but you know I've seen weirder things in alt seasons, so. Yo, Celinda becoming a member once again. I bet she became a member only because XRP did well, and she wants to talk her shit. I have a feeling. What's up, Celinda? Welcome back. Welcome back. So yeah, this thing, it does look really good for more upside. It really does. I wish it didn't make that lower low first. This was evil. We didn't even get a back test of this level or anything. We just ran up. So that kind of bothers me. But hey, you can't win them all, right? You can't win them all. Just like we lost as soon as stream started. We lost the ZBZN trade. We lost it. It's not coming back either. Alright, that's Ondo. Looking good. Bitcoin Cash. Alright, so this part, XRP case is supposedly over. Oh, that's what it is? That's why it exploded? Interesting. I didn't even pay attention to it. Alright, what the heck? No wonder this thing barely moved. It's only been going... Look at it. Look at this uptrend. Dang, Bitcoin Cash? Are you Amazon? Sheesh. What's this thing look like on the weekly? Mantle. I got you covered, Celinda. I got you covered. Mantle. What does this thing look like on the weekly? Sorry, this one is strictly for my viewing pleasure, if I'm being honest, because I want to know what's going on with this thing. Oh, I've been looking at this all wrong, haven't I? Really? Really? That's going to be a really hard one to break through, isn't it? 766 is going to be really hard to break through. If it was up to Caroline Crenshaw, XRP and crypto would be in a perma bear market. Who is that? I don't know who that is. I enjoy looking at BCH as well. Been consolidating since 2018. Yeah, it consolidated a long time here. That was a long consolidation. Oh my goodness. Anyways. How strange. So technically on the weekly, we're getting this breakout. On the weekly, we're getting this breakout right now. We had a confirmed breakout, not last week, but the week before. Tried to sell off, and we're getting back above it? That's crazy bullish. As one who votes no immediately on all crypto proposals in the SEC, well, you know what? We don't need her anyways. Yeah, we don't even like her. Her toes smell. Alright, that's too bad, though. It's too bad. Well, strange. This is just a really weird movement to see in a crypto. Just a slow grind up. I don't know what to make of this. So, it's foreign to me. It's weird. And you're above this weird choppy area back over here, too. You held it as support? Wait a minute. You used it as support? It was a resistance, you broke through, fell back, support. Now you're trying to go up off of it. Huh. I wouldn't trust this because now you're seeing that fall off of the bullishness on your RSI just falling down. I would short this. I would legitimately short this now. Let's check out the 4 hour. Oh, hell yeah, I'd short this shit. Oh my god. 4 hour. Looking great. I just need it to break this. As soon as you break that, oh, I'll feel good about it. I'll feel so good about it. It's a lower high that does it for me. I'd be aiming at 470. Strange. Nice little 18% drop to the downside. Would I get into the short tonight? No, probably not. Tomorrow morning, maybe. If the whole market starts coming down, I'm gonna jump straight into Bitcoin Cash. If the whole market starts coming down tomorrow, Bitcoin Cash is what I'm aiming at. This is a beautiful 18% move that could happen. I'm okay with this. Especially when it lines up with a former level that could act as support. I like that. I like that a lot. We'll see what it does. Almost stock-like. Yeah, it's really stock-like. It's strange. Let's check out Ton Coin. I was looking at Ton earlier today. I wanted to trade it, but then I figured I shouldn't do that right now. But I posted this inside of the Discord. Keep this one on the radar. You're right in between your 200 and your 50 simple moving averages. This might actually be something viable for in the morning. We came up breaking through this level that once was a resistance. You now fell back below. You're using it as resistance again. However, you did make that higher low. The higher low is what does it for me. The higher low makes me think we could start rallying. And if you look at this, you're not really going to find much resistance until we get up to $4.85. That's 46% to the upside. This is what has me interested in it. And I think if it does start popping, it's going to pop like a pimple. Just shoot straight onto the mirror. This thing, does look pretty good to me. Pretty tantalizing. I like the look of this. Kind of like that old saying. It's like, damn, Daniel, back at it again with the white vans. You know? Great little viral tune there. Yeah, I like Ton. I really like the look of Ton. We're in neutral territory on the daily. Low stochastics. It hasn't really rallied yet. The 4 hour is what has me worried. This high stochastic tells me you could get one more push to the downside, and that push might just stop at $3.02. You might just come down, get a quick little tap-a-rooney, confirm your low, and then get a rally. We'll see what they do. We'll see. I don't know. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud here. All right, we got Shiba Inu. I really like the way Shib looks. Wait a minute. Oh, I really like the way Shib... Wow. Shiba Inu. Looking good. I like Shib here. We had a nice breakout. This could act as a back test with the mildly higher low. This is nice. I like this. I could trade this, actually. I could actually trade this with a stop loss just below 115. Hold on, what's the percentage here? Oh, never mind. That's 10%. Yeah, right. Let's go into lower time frames. 4 hour. Reset that 4 hour. Bring us down just a bit. Bring us back down around here. That'd be ideal. Bring us down a little bit. Once we come down a little bit, reset this 4 hour, I might actually want to start playing with some Shiba Inu. Oh, what a surprise. I haven't played in SHIB in a long time. I would be aiming for this 1874 level. So let's just say it didn't pull back at all. It just went straight up. You could see a 46% move to the upside. Cool. But based off this here, you also could see a move up to 2210. There's too many levels. I would just play this one for now. I wouldn't even think about this one. This one's more or less seeing like what if we would get to the 618. We passed it, so I don't care about that anymore. Now I'm caring about just this right here, the possible 45% upside. That's what I'm looking at. This looks nice. I like this. Are you gonna do some weird stuff? No, I don't think the 1 hour wants to do it either. Interesting. So we might have some boring time tomorrow or overnight. Maybe we even wake up to some red. I would prefer waking up to some red, honestly. Because on Wall Street, what are they going to do? Sell off more? Yeah, right. They're probably going to start buying, which will be great. That's Shiba Inu. Alright, XMR. Now, I posted about XMR a while ago. Ooh, we got roasted. Dang, that's too bad. Yep, I posted about this thing a while ago. I was like, this could go up. Nope. Bad move. We lost the uptrend. Unfortunate. I didn't look at it ever since. Oh man. We lost our 200 daily? Okay, what's going on here? That's a problem. We're oversold on the daily. Yeah, we're just gonna not look at this anymore. That looks terrible. BGB. BitGet. Let's see it. Oh, that's some weird consolidation. I'm not a fan. You're also below the 200 on the daily as well. But I'm in the green. Holy shit. I'm sorry. I didn't realize I was in the green that much. I'm like, wait a second. My average price is somewhere around like $1. Jesus. That's cool. I guess I'm up on DGB. Cool. Let's see if it's getting geared. This does kind of resemble bullish bullish consolidation, doesn't it? Oh, we're broken out. Oh. Oh, this thing's gonna try and rally or something. Awesome. Awesome. Love to see it. Love to see it. BGB. Looks like this might be its bull run. This is looking like 1153 could be next. Wow. Well, that's cool. It'll be my 10x. Let's go. $156. It is a beautiful chart. It is just so darn clean. It's as if they're doing corporate buybacks and burning or something. It's crazy. Yeah, if you guys haven't done any research into BitGet and their exchange token, I highly recommend it. I highly recommend it. Go check it out. Apparently I should be trading OP right now. Or ETHFi. Weird. 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 Alright, next up, we're going to get into the requests. So, we're going to start things out. Wait, Kay Say Hey. Are you still a member? I didn't see you type anything. I need to look this up. I don't know if he's still a member or not. What? That little man's trying to steal my broccoli? Thank you. I appreciate you. Love you. Hey, you want to watch Wednesday tonight, or are you tired? You want to watch Wednesday tonight, or are you tired? Alrighty. I don't know. I should be done here pretty soon. I love you. He's a member. Okay, good. Don't think... Wait, do we think BTC is sitting on support? Not a clue. Not a clue. He's a member. Alright, we gotta look at his first. SPX. We're gonna look at his first. SPX 6900. Oh shit, did it break out? No way. Oh my god, it broke out. We're aiming at 281. Oh, we have a confirmed candle close breakout. 7.9% on the day. Holy moly. What is this wick? It didn't want anyone to get these gains. That is wild. Yeah, that 4-hour stochastic, not a fan of that. We just got a new 4-hour candle, so I'm thinking coming down would make a lot of sense. Hopefully we maintain above 175.6. If we do, still looking to... Oh, we already hit the 618. Nah, we should definitely come back down. If we can come down to 164.56, I'll be happy. It doesn't have to. I would just like it to. But still, 281.96, kind of your target right now. This thing is not slowing down for anybody. Kind of wild. He has a star next to his super chat. Does he really? Oh, he does. Okay, I see that now. I didn't see it before. Thank you, Rich. I appreciate that. But yeah, SPX doing great. Just not coming down yet. Wild times in this market. Wild times. INTC Intel. Let's see what it's doing. Damn it! I thought it would move by now. So this is one of the stocks I actually hold, and I was accumulating. On this high, I stopped accumulating when it literally broke through 25.44. I stopped accumulating. Yeah, this is one of the stocks I legitimately have. It's a very bullish chart. It is a very bullish chart. Mob duty? Yeah, you're right. It's mob duty. But yeah, very bullish chart. We're looking for, on the measured move of the falling wedge, 115% upside. on the basically we have this weird long-term downtrend right here. So it's anywhere between the 115 to 223% upside. No idea when it's going to take place. And apparently the weekly stochastic is resetting as you trade sideways. I think it's starting to come soon. I think by the end of the year, we're going to see Intel at a much higher price. Especially, aren't they still supposed to be making semiconductors here in America? Or did that get scrapped? That was the whole reason why I bought Intel in the first place. Because under the Biden administration, they mentioned they were going to build a plant out in Texas to start building semiconductors here in America. And I was like, oh, they win. Great, I'm going to start buying this thing. It has done nothing since I started buying, but this looks good. The previous touch of the downtrend was actually a gap close. Oh, really? Wow. From the 2000s? Either way, doesn't look bad. If it ever loses 13-14, I'm getting out of it. I'm never looking at it again. But right now, I like it. I like it a lot. Oh, one of the few times Jim asked for something that I already have charted. But that's just because I've been buying into that on and off for the past couple of years. I like it. It was kind of like I bought Nvidia before the whole AI craze because Nvidia mentioned during the last bull cycle they wanted to create a virtual Earth and call it Earth 2.0. I was like, oh, virtual land? Let's go! So I bought Nvidia, sold it way too early. Way too early. But, you know, I was up a lot. $13 is the last major open gap from the .com bubble. 13 really? Go figure. Okay. I mean GFC? I don't know what GFC is. Oh, you're talking about the next one, not KGC? It's GFC? Is that what you mean? I'm loving the network difficulty on Caspa coming down a bit. Seems some older miners being taken offline that aren't currently profitable. Isn't that really bad for the network? The great financial crisis. Oh, got you. Got you. Alright, what is this thing? Gold? Oh my god! We were looking for 33%. It played out and then some. Holy shit. Well, it looks like you're about to go test that downtrend. You could also hit 23.44. Jeez. Not too much I can say about this, honestly. It's having one hell of a week. 15.79% on the week. Damn. Damn, getting back into that overbought territory, but it looks like it does not matter. Kinross Gold Corporation, yeah. Yeah, I think it's going to be pretty tough to break this 21.06. We'll see how it goes, though. 2009 was gap $13 for, okay, highly doubt we ever break 17. Yeah, it should be hard, but you never know. You never know. No, it's a natural progress. New models will come out and add more HR. Oh, really? Who would have thought? But you're just raking in the extra Caspa tokens, right? Oh, Mantle USD. Apparently it's on Coinbase only. That's weird. Wow. Celinda, what do you want from me here? It blasted off. It's having quite a week. Up 49% on the week. Looking at the daily. What the heck? Honestly, Celinda, what are we doing here? What are we doing here? You're just wondering where to take profit, I'm hoping. Swear, if you're like, hey, I want to get in this. No. No. You're not allowed. Looks like you're aiming at 116 right now. Struggling to get there. Kinross is a large animal, but I think that's just the nature of this bull cycle. This is definitely been the big boys cycle. It really has been the big boys cycle. It is ridiculous. At 116.03 is the target at the moment. If you break it, 145.9 could be your next target. And so on and so forth. The trending fib tool is your friend when you're at breakouts to the upside or even to the downside. You have minted 37k Caspa to date. Dang, Rich, that's crazy. How many did you have to sell for the electricity costs? That's where it truly matters. It's pretty sweet, Rich. It's only sweet if he has solar panels. Alright, I guess it's time for us to try and find a trade for the evening. Only thing I ever mined was Ethereum. Nice. Alright, first off, let's see what things look even interesting on the daily. Oh, that's why OP looks interesting. .08 kWh? No idea what that means. How about Jasmy? We can check out some Jasmy. We can check out Jasmy. Oh, this thing's just trying to make this 16% move right now. Son of a bitch! It already started. God damn it. Alright, we missed that one. Yeah, let's see what Jasmy looks like. I think I was trying to look at this one the other day. Oh, Jasmy does look interesting. Nice little pumperoonie here. Let's see what the 4 looks like. Damn. I would need it to come down a little. It's unfortunate. The 1 hour looks terrible too. This might be ready in the morning, just not right now. As of right now, the only thing you're really looking at for Jasmy is, like, you should have gotten in down here or even right here to aim at this. You still could see this thing move up, no problem. It's just the indicators need a reset. That's probably going to take all night. But this is like a 16, at least a 16% move. Oh, boy. It's too bad. So it's 16 to possibly 59%. I like that. It's great. It's awesome. But it's not what I'm looking for tonight. Alright, we're going to do this the old school way. Gonna do this the old school. Why does Floki look so interesting on the 1 hour? Golly. Alright, I need low stochastics on the 4 hour. That's what I need. That is what I need. Low stochastics on the 4 hour. We're just gonna mosey on. What was that? 1 inch is moving finally? You piece of shit. Oh. I was waiting for this thing forever. When it fell down, I was like, well, so much for that. And here it goes. Sheesh. Looks like it's going to 32 cents. Oh, this thing's probably going to rally hard, too. God dang it. That's unfortunate. Oh, well. Oh. A8, not bad. Ave, you're a little high. Hey, ADA still alive. If you were in ADA trade, you're still alive. It looks really good where it bounced. Holy shit. You had a level, you hit it again, you made a higher low. Let this thing rally, baby. Still aiming at the 63% move. What a great entry that would have been. Too bad nobody asked about ADA anymore. I know I'm gonna find something where the 4-hour stochastic is not too high. I'm not trading that. Ugh. It's like a kick in the nuts when you see something like this. Nobody would have expected that pump. No one. Ugh, so frustrating. Your big miner is at a hosting facility. The electric is cheap. Only 0.8 a kilowatt an hour. Wow! 8 cents an hour? It's crazy. Moodang? I don't know. Huh. Talk about flatlining. Sheesh. What is this? AVAX? Oh, AVAX. You're looking good. Dang, girl. Dang, girl. What are you? Axie Infinity. Axie Infinity. I can't wait until you make one. Like, just pull back a little bit. Just pull back a little bit. Bake? Oh, man. I swear, if Bitcoin Cash just like catches bids off this uptrend and breaks through, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Oh, Beam X? This looks decent. Wait a minute. 4-hour stochastic doesn't look bad. Wait a minute. Maybe we have a... Oh, we might have a winner. No, I'd short it. But it might rally. Just might rally. Hold on here. Hold on a minute. Oh, trying to reset while hitting overhead resistance. Kind of reminds me a ton. What do you got on the... Ooh. Huh. This is reminding me of Pengu. How strange. What great consolidation. How strange. Nice little 7% scalp right there. Good night, everyone. Got a busy day tomorrow. See you amazing traders tomorrow. Sounds good, Trade Intuition. Get a great night's sleep. You know, the greatest thing to go with a busy day, a wonderful night's sleep. I hope you sleep well, man. You know what? This isn't bad. I like this one. Beam X. Oh, you piece of I mean, it's fine. It's fine. Maybe this one. Beam X. Oh, there we go. Beam X. Let's go, baby. We're going to jump into Beam X. Why the hell not? We're going to go 15X. IP looks good to recover that wick. ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué? One thing I do like about BitUnex, I'm going to show you in a second here. It's like, I'm entering this trade, I'm market ordering in. It shows me my liquidation price. I absolutely love that. That is something I absolutely love. You know how often I'm sitting there, I'm like, I don't know where my stop loss should be. And I gotta go back to TradingView, look at it, and then I have to look here and see what the liquidation price is. It's frustrating. I don't like having to do all that. So I do like it when they make it easy. And there we go. We're good. We're in there like swimwear. So we have the possibility of losing $13.65 or making $63.47 on this trade. Let's go. But I need to get some trades over here. So we're going to be looking for another one. That's going to be fun. Well, let's go ahead and put in our alerts so I know what's going on here. All right, alerts are set. Let's get back to our 4-hour and let's keep on scrolling. So, let's keep it going. Holy shit, nope, not trading that. Oh, this doesn't look bad at all. What is Bitco? You attractive little all-star, you. Holy smokes. Oh, this is just a beauty. Holy smokes. We would be looking for, oh my god, 42%? Oh. Did you answer if BTC was on support? I did not answer that because I didn't even look at the chart. We're pretty close to Bitcoin. I'll look at that next. Can we look at Circle and Palantir? Sure. Sure. Iran AI Mahai? Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Sorry you did do that on one of the 2 days of the week. I stream every single day, but Tuesdays and Thursdays, they are reserved for the members-only chat. So hopefully you're not holding that against me. If you check the links in the description down below, you can always join the free Discord where you can request charts, you can see charts that I post, you can also be a part of the community. Great place to be. Thank you so much for your sub. I appreciate you. Yeah, we'll check both of those out. I like Bitco here. Let me see what the lower time frames look like. Oh my, I really like Bitco. I really like Bitco. Holy. A 42%. You know what? We're going to use the tiny account for Bitco. We're going to use a tiny account. Bitco. There we go. This one's going to be a tough one. We're going to try and take this little $4 little baby token thing going on here, and we're going to try and turn this into like 5,000. That's the goal. $4.19 to 5K. Well, yeah, we're going to see how that goes. Let's wow, I can go 20x on this thing? That's crazy. We're going to go 15x. Here we go. Here we go. All right, we're in on the trade. See, weeks. You could do so much better on UI. I can't just drag into a stop loss. This is annoying. It's frustrating. 1065. We can do that. 1065. 65. There we go. Only I'm trying to lose 12%. Sweet. 1065. Whoa, wait a minute. What time frame am I zoomed in on? What the heck? What time frame am I zoomed in on? That's crazy. I think I should bring it lower. What's this price? 1031? Is that liquidation? Ooh, really close to liquidation. I don't like that. Okay, 1044. That's what we'll do. 1044. Give us a little wiggle room. We'll be alright. 44. I need to get off the 5-minute on here. Sheesh. I'm gonna stop trading on 100x. That would probably help. Then we're gonna aim at 1533. 1533. So there's a possibility of 641%. We'll see how it goes. We will see how it goes. Going to at least a 15. Sheesh, man. Sheesh. So yeah, nice little stop loss there. Profit taking is way up there. Beautiful. And then for your guys' viewing pleasure, I'll just bring up the long here. So look at BTC trying to SR flip 16.7. right here. Go here to here. We will see how this goes. That's a 14-1. Go figure. Big ol' 14-1. Who would have thought? Oh well. We'll see if it plays out. We're right next to Bitcoin. Let's check it out real fast. No, it's not sitting on top of support. I guess maybe. On the 1 hour it is. So, was acting as a resistance. Now it's trying to act as support. So that is what you're currently doing at the moment. If we can maintain this, we already reset the 1 hour stochastic. We would be looking for Bitcoin to move on up just a little bit. We'd be looking for it to go up to 118.2. Let's check it out on the 5-minute chart. There's a possibility of that happening. Holy smokes. You had a nice downtrend that you broke out of. Jeez Louise. Jeez Louise. So I would say right now you're looking for it to come up to 117.266. Market might start getting a little bit bullish out here. Just might. Looking kind of wild. Kind of wild out here. All right. CRCL Circle. Wow. We're coming down to the little zone. We broke out of the downtrend. Great. We're back testing. Circle looks awesome. Looks like if you were trying to jump in at any price, it might be around this price. Just might be. 4 hour time. Oh, 4 hour got a little oversold. You broke out. You're trying to confirm a level. So Circle looks great, looks awesome. As of right now, you might see Circle rally up tomorrow, especially with crypto doing so well. You might see it. $219 could be the next move for Circle. Could be this right here. Looks really good for that. 43% to the upside. Go Circle, go! All right, PLTR. Palantir. I don't know why we even look at this thing. It goes up. Yeah, we hit 178, so we gapped up. Dude. Where this thing will stop, nobody knows. Maybe we go to 221 next. I don't know, man. Honestly, no clue. This thing is just, it's on a rocket ship. All on its own. Going where no man's gone before. Let's take it from right here to here to here. I'd aim for $200. 200 smackaroos is what I'd be aiming at. Let's see how it does. Let's see if it ever pulls back. Alright, still need to find one more trade. So we got into Bitco, which it's doing okay. We're dead even. Dead even. Let's go. We're in the 4 hour. Great. We're just going to keep on looking for some. Whoa, fresh breakout for Blast? Look at that. Nice price action here. Oh, it's BNB. There, look at that. Damn, Brett. Sheesh, who'd you piss off? My goodness. What are you? Oh, it's Bitcoin. Whoa, yeah, Bitcoin on the 4 hour, it actually looks pretty solid. You got a little wiggle room on that 4 hour stochastic. We might actually see a really bullish night. Cool. We got some room here. What is it? C98? C98? Oh, I could trade this. Wait a minute. Hold on. We haven't looked at C98 in a while. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my Lanta. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. C98 might be Himothy. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lanta. Never financial advice, people. Looks like C98 bottomed out. Did you do all the stuff in the things? Like all of it? No, you didn't. Oh, you suck. Damn. I was getting moist. Oh, man. Apostle, thank you so much for the sub. Appreciate you. Don't worry. Tomorrow, you guys will be able to drop any requests that you have, especially while I'm live. But I have a free link in the Discord where you got free Discord link in the description down below where you guys can join the community. If you have any chart requests, I can get to it at my earliest convenience, but I'm not really going to try too hard to get to it. Because I will be live tomorrow evening where everyone can request things. So hopefully you do enjoy the content. Hopefully you come back again later. This looks great. Oh, this whole move can happen. Oh, shit. Holy crap. 54%? Damn! 25, let's go. I think at our high point, we're at 40. A lot of people don't like it when it's members only. A lot of people don't like it when it's members only. Alright, 4 hour, not bad. We have room. Don't really like the red that we're getting right now, but don't like that we're underneath the 200 either. Let's check the 1. Aw, man. 1 hour wants to reset. Can't get into this right now. I just can't. Nice uptrend, though. The closer we get to this uptrend and this 0483, the more I like it. But until we get down there, I don't really like what it's doing. 15's trying its damnedest not to suck. It's trying really, really hard. Let's see how the other trade's doing. We're down 6% on BMX. BMX, stop being mean to me, alright? You're making me look bad in front of my friends. Anyways, yeah, no, this thing does not look terrible. This was a resistance. Could act as a support? Maybe. Maybe. What do you think? What do you think, chat? Do we take a chance on C98 for an overnight pump? I don't think we do. I really don't think we do. I think we wait for this to reset, maybe even backtest the 200 on the 1 hour. Give me confirmation, and then we could do it. What do you guys think? There it is. That 5 minute just doesn't want to be nice to you. Got a high, lower high. Hopefully you hang on to that 200. If we can catch some bids, great. But if not, it's terrible. Alright, C98 is going to be on my radar tomorrow morning. I'm going to tell you what. Definitely on the radar for tomorrow morning. I want to know what this thing does. I wish I looked at this sooner. Gosh, that was a great entry down here at 0454. I know somebody's going to be like, you could still enter, just have less leverage. Don't be boring. Don't be boring. 12% possible downside? Yeah, right. I ain't taking that. This looks like a bear flag right now. Where my confirmation at? Anyways. Let's go. Let's go. Cake. No. I don't know what that thing is. Caddy. Wow. Still not pulling back, huh? Whoa, what are you? Conflux? Really? Oh man, I'm thinking downside, but sheesh, Conflux looking kind of sauced up, caked up even. Holy moly. Wait, let's get rid of all this downside talk. Oh. I believe we're going to go into Conflux. I believe that is the way. Wow. What's your 15 doing? Wow, you're almost oversold on the 15. What's your 5 looking like? Son of a bitch, really? That's crazy. If we can get a break out of this downtrend, I'm in there like swimwear. I'm all over this thing. This, I like this a lot. What's it look like on the daily? Are we overextended? Shit. Never mind. I'm not touching this thing. We're overextended. God damn it. And we have bearish divergence. Son of a bitch. That's why I was so bearish. See there? That's how I get caught off guard sometimes. I don't look at the daily. Now let's line this thing up again. And let's pull it back out to the daily. Oh my god. It looks like it's going to come down and backtest the 50 simple after a golden crop. Frustrating. That is frustrating right there. That's, oh man. Just like that's frustrating. So is that. What are we doing? Did I look at XMR? Yeah, it's just bleeding out. It looks terrible. Just bleeding out. I'm not trading char. I'm also on the daily, and I shouldn't do that. I need to be on the 4. Cloud? Nah. Comp. You have my attention, comp. You have my attention. Oh, why am I getting this weird feeling like they're going to try and stop loss hunt everybody tonight? Getting a weird feeling, guys. Getting a weird feeling, you know? I need confirmation. I need this to come back down to 43.14. If we can get back down there, or even just confirm 44.36 or something, I would really like comp right now. Until we get that, gotta let it slide. Gotta let it slide. I mean, don't get me wrong, great area for accumulation, but I'm looking for a trade. That's what I'm looking for. I guess Cookie looks pretty decent for a trade. It hasn't done a gosh darn thing. Looks really good for a trade. What? What is Cookie doing? When bids. When bids. You can put an extremely tight stop loss on this thing. Holy mo... Okay, you know what? We're going to try this one out. We're going to try this one out, especially with our resistance at 19 cents. This could be huge. This could be huge. Let's check it out on the daily real quick so I don't get caught off guard again. Oh, we're overextended to the downside. No shot. Bro. M Folks FN, thank you so much for the follow on Twitch. Thank you so much. Hopefully you join the stream tomorrow where you can end up getting your requests coming in hot. Tonight is just for subscribers only in the chat, but I do appreciate the follow. Outside of Tuesdays and Thursdays, I take all requests all the time. Tuesdays and Thursdays are a way for me to thank the members on YouTube and the subscribers on Twitch. Yeah, I like Cookie. I like Cookie. I'm going to put an extremely tight stop loss on it, though. But I really like Cookie here. I really do. There's no pressure either direction. We're going to use our wonderful BloFin account. The one that I am trying to push this thing up to $34,000 from the $344 we're at. So, Cookie. Cookie is one of those weird looking ones right now, so I'm going to play in that. We're going to market order 15x. We're going to do that. So there we go. We're long. Officially long. One thing I do really like is BloFin does like to make you feel like you're in the stock market by giving us the arrow. That's great. Love it. Love it. All right. Did it. Now, stop loss. Bring it right there. Super tight on the stop loss because I don't really want to think about it, if I'm being honest. And then on our profit taking, we're going to just focus on that 1618, 1681. That is a beautiful little 10% move to the upside. The 150% move. Very nice. Very, very nice. Angie, what is up? How you doing? Hey, bud. Hope all is well. Do you have time to check SHX? Hooked. Yeah, we can check that out. I just don't know how to say with a K. do. And there we go. Let's get these details real quick. So we could lose $70 or we could make 587 smackaroonies. Let's see how this trade goes. We're probably going to lose the 70 bucks. Let's be real. Probably going to lose it. We're just out here losing, brother. Just out here losing left and right. We're out here losing. Oh, man. But yeah, so Linda, if you didn't see the XMR, we did look at this. It looks abysmal. Looks like it's going to keep on going down. And where it could stop, I have no idea. Because on the daily, we ended up falling below the 200 daily moving average. So, not sure why. Nobody wants privacy no more. But nobody wants privacy anymore. If we do find support, we're going to be looking at this level right here at 243 bucks. If we can hold it, great. Awesome. Love it. Maybe we can see upside from there. But, yeah, it's not a good day for privacy, apparently. Not a good day for privacy. SHX. Stronghold. Oh, beautiful movements. Beautiful movements. Downside never took place. Upside took place. Then we pulled back, held support. Let's get rid of all this artwork. Let's get rid of it. We don't need it no more. We don't need it. What we do need is this to right about what here. So we are broken out. Sweet. And we have a higher low. Even better. Whoa. Okay, looks like we are aiming at something from the past. We basically hit it. Alrighty. Now we're focused on this. Boom. So right now, you could consolidate right here where you are. You're at the 618. That's usually where prices like to, or people like to take a little profit, let it come back down, confirm your levels here after the breakout. And then I would love to get in around 19.7. That seems like a great place to get in. Your stochastic's coming up pretty high on the daily. You have bearish divergence on the daily, and it looks like it's about to continue. If this is your lower high, this could turn into a nice little buying opportunity, possibly all the way down to 14,483. Let's go into the 4 hour. 4 hours overbought while making a lower high. That's really, really annoying. But you had bearish divergence. You canceled out the bearish div while breaking higher. How strange it is. Did we make a higher high? No, we didn't. So right now I would be looking for consolidation. Consolidation would be nice. Honestly, this thing just... it's such a weird little price action thing that I don't actually know if it's going to hold this level of support or not. It was acting as resistance this whole time. If you come back down, use it as support, then yeah, you're probably going to go straight up to 0.36249. You're kind of waiting right now to see what it does. Overbought on the 4 hours, not a good look. Sweet stuff, thanks, bud. No problem. But yeah, oh, that's really overbought on the 1 hour. What the heck? Super overbought there. That's not ideal. Not ideal. Let's see if I'm getting smoked right now. We're currently down 6%. Getting smoked out here in every trade, every aspect of trading tonight. Not going well. Not going well in the least. Dang. And it's all just so mild. Down 6% over here on a 15x long. We're down 6% right here on a 15x long. And then, what is this one? 4% on a 15x long? What are we doing? Why? Why you gotta be so mean, market? Stop being mean to me. I took a long time to search for those. It was like 5 minutes. It was a long time. Alright, well, we're in our trades. We did what we were gonna do. I have to update my watch list here to add in BeamX. BeamX, as well as, what's that other one? Bitco. Bucko. Is BTC on support? Rich, we answered that already. Yes. Fuck, man. Yes. We answered that already. We also said where it could go. We're looking for 117,266. Where did you go? And cookie. Let me make sure I got the right Bitco. I don't think I did. Did I? I definitely did not. God damn it. Cool, went to get a snack. Oh, gotcha. What's her name? Must have missed it. It's all good. Yeah, this is a... If it decides to come down and wick me out on Bitco, that'll be frustrating. Very frustrating. Currently down on every trade of the night. Woof. I'm going to leave them open, too. I'm going to leave each one of these open. Let's see if they stop me out while I'm sleeping, or if I get to wake up in the green again. You know how good it is waking up with money? Holy shit, last night was amazing. Or this morning, I should say. Absolutely amazing. Anyways, everybody, hopefully you enjoyed the stream. I know it got a little random there at the end, but yeah, you know, I'm just out here trying to do things. By the way, BloFin, link in the description down below. Take advantage of your trading bonuses. Get some free money from these exchanges, and then make money on the side with it. Get funded, baby. Anyways, yeah, links in the description below. We have great deposit bonus and trading bonus here on BloFin, as well as over here on ByDFi, which apparently got to log in again. Great. But ByDFi also amazing trading or deposit bonuses. So take advantage. And then also over here on Pumpkin, you guys should definitely consider jumping in on Pumpkin, because we will be doing some dedicated live streams over here. So consider it. Consider it. We're also doing trading challenges over here. We're doing trading challenges fucking everywhere, if I'm being honest. My goal this month is to try and push up every one of my exchange accounts up into at least $10,000. And then we'll see where it goes from there. But if I can start averaging 2 to 3K a day on each one of the exchanges, that's going to be fun. And you guys get to see me trade with more money at that point, which that kind of has me worried. But you know what? It'll be all right. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful evening. Hopefully you all enjoyed, and join the free Discord. Other than that, I'll catch you later. And yeah, be good. Go say hi to your family or something. Drink some water. It's been hot out. It's summer. All right, I'm out of here. Deuces, everybody. Much love. Peace.